Welcome back, students. In my last class we were doing past adjustment and I told you that we will take one more question on past adjustments. So I'll quickly go through that question. I'll write the gist here. You can make a note of it. I'm not writing the whole question. So the question is like this. There are three partners. Okay. A has the capital as 5 lakh, B's capital is 2 lakh 50,000 and C also has got 2 lakh 50,000, on which as per the deed they are allowed for a interest on capital at the rate of 6%. Okay, that is one. Number two, C is getting a salary of 5,000 per month. Okay, this is the salary. Next is A is getting a commission of 80,000. B is not getting anything. C is also not getting anything. This was the commission, right? And then the capital ratio, profit sharing ratio among all the three partners, it is on the basis of their capital. That means the ratio between the capital is actually their profit sharing ratio. And I hope most of you will be knowing, but just in case if you have any doubt, I'll just clarify that. So this is how you are going to find out 5 lakh is to 2 lakh 50,000 is to 2 lakh 50,000. You have to simplify this. You have to just reduce it. Okay. So if I cancel 4 zeros in each, you are left with 50 is to 25 is to 25. Okay. And you can further simplify this. 25 ones are 25, 25 ones are 25 and 25 twos are 50. So you are having the profit sharing ratio now, which is 2 is to 1 is to 1. Okay. So this is how we are going to write. So profit need to be distributed in the ratio of 2 is to 1 is to 1. That is the profit ratio. Okay. Now, what has happened in past adjustment? As I told you, there is some mistake, some omission, or something has been done wrong, or some mistake has been done. Now, what has happened? Instead of distributing the profit in this ratio, the profit was distributed equally, and the profit was 3 lakh for that year. Okay. So without considering interest on capital, without giving the salary, without giving commission, and also first of all it is not given, it is all omitted. And second mistake was this 3 lakh which was the profit, ideally it was supposed to be distributed in 2 is to 1 is to 1 ratio, whereas it was equally divided. Okay. So this is what the question is all about. Now you have to pass a rectification entry. So how we are going to do this, I'll show you now. Okay, so this is our table which we usually make it. This is analytical table to find out the net effect, right? So we'll take one by one. If I start from the salary, before I do this table, I just want to tell you two things you always remember. See, whenever we make a mistake, there is only two possibility. Either you have not given something. In this case I am talking about, either you have not appropriated it, it has been omitted, or second mistake maybe you have given but it is given wrong, or there is some mistake. Okay. So whatever is omitted you will give them, right? And whatever is given wrong, that you will reverse. So there are only two things which you have to do: restoration and reversal. So restoring means you are just writing what is not written, or you are going to give what is not given, right? So first thing is, we'll take the salary. Salary A was not getting, B was not getting. Only C was getting the salary and it was 5,000 per month, which means for a year it will be 60,000, right? And this will go on the credit side. And as I told you in my last class also, if it is given to the credit this is written on the credit side of the partner's capital account, it will go on the debit side, because from the firm point of view it is an expense. So this 60,000 is going to appear on the debit side of this account. Okay. Second one was the commission. Now commission only A was getting, and that was 80,000. Again, this is an addition to their capital. They are getting it. So it will come on the credit side. And since it is on credit side, it will be written on the debit side of profit and loss adjustment. Third was the interest on capital. This was at the rate of 6%. Okay. So A's capital was 5 lakh. If you calculate, it comes to 30,000. So 30,000 for A, and it was 2,50,000 for B and 2,50,000 for C. So it is going to be 15,000 each. 15,000 for B and 15,000 for C. So total, if you make 30, 15, 15, it will become 60,000. So you are going to write here as 60,000. Okay. These three things we had not given. This is called restoration. Okay. Now coming to what is given wrong. The profit was distributed wrongly. It was supposed to be done in the capital ratio, whereas it was divided equally without considering these things. Okay. So profit was 3 lakh. It was equally divided. So now because it was wrong, you have to reverse this, which means it will be taken back from the partners. So here you are going to write wrong distribution of profit. Okay. Since you are taking it back from the partners, it will be written on debit side. Okay. So 1 lakh, 1 lakh and 1 lakh. Because the profit was 3 lakh and it was equally divided. So this 3 lakh will come on the debit side because it is a reversal of the entry. And since it is on debit side, here it will come on the credit side. Okay. And as I said, you leave one line. Okay. And then you close it. And you will balance this account off, like you do the other ledger accounts. So you just balance it off. Here the total is 3 lakh, which is bigger, and here also you will write 3 lakh as per the rule. Okay. And the difference of the two sides will be written always on the shorter side. This is 3 lakh. This is, if you add 80 plus 60 is 140. 140 plus 60 is 2 lakh. So here it is 2 lakh. This side it is 3 lakh. So the difference is 1 lakh. This you are going to write on the shorter side, which is the debit side. Now since it is on debit side, okay, this is the amount which has to be distributed among the partners. This is on debit side, which means it shows the profit, and that will go on the credit side of the partners. So this you are going to write profit share. And in bracket, if you want, you can write the ratio, which was the correct ratio, 2:1:1. Okay. So if you divide this 1 lakh, it comes to, you can calculate and see, 2:1, 2/4, 1/4 and 1/4. So it comes to 50,000, 25,000 and 25,000. And here it is debit. So it will come on the credit side. You are going to write as 50,000, then 25,000 and then 25,000. Okay. Now we are done with whatever has to be done. To balance this off, we actually do not balance it off. You just make the total of both the sides. Here the total is 1 lakh on this side, and the credit side, if you add 50 plus 30, 80, 80, 80, 160. So this will be 1,60,000. Fine. This side is 1 lakh. And this side is 15,000 plus 25. It is 40,000. Okay. This side again 1 lakh. And this side 15 plus 25 is 40,000 plus 60 is 1 lakh again. Now you will find out the net effect. If you find out the net effect, for which I very clearly told you that please do remember we are not balancing this off. What you are going to do is find out the difference between debit and credit, and the difference amount you are going to write on the bigger side. Okay. So here 1 lakh and 160, this side is bigger and the difference is 60,000. So I am going to write this 60,000 on this side. Here it is 1 lakh, here it is 40,000. That means debit side is bigger for B. So you are going to write 60,000 on debit side. For C, both the columns are equal. So there is no difference at all. And here I told you because both the sides are same. So it will be nil. There is no balancing off. This is your net effect. Okay. So this is, we are done with the table. Now this net effect actually gives you the entry exactly. B is debited and A is credited. So your entry would be, the journal entry which you are going to write is B's capital account debited to A's capital account. I'll just write the entry here. I'm rubbing this. So the entry which you are going to write would be B's capital account debited to A's capital account, and the amount of difference was 60,000 and here also 60,000. The narration which you write, always remember it's a fixed sentence you can always write. Just say that adjustment made for each narration in this type of question, write this first, adjustment entry, or you can write adjustment made for. Now for after this you write whatever was done wrong. So for omission of what and all we have missed, omission of salary, comma, omission of commission was there, right? Then omission of interest on capital was there, and you can write wrong distribution of profit. So you can just remember this narration. Just write adjustment made for, and whatever you have done wrong you just add it. Okay. So this is how you have to do the questions. I hope this is clear now. So wait for my next video. I'm going to take up the next topic, which is the reconstitution of partners, and we will take up the admission of a partner. Okay, till then, bye bye.